Welcome back everyone, Crowon here, and we're going to go ahead and tackle UCE Stamina. So let's go ahead and get that imported. This is going to add a stamina bar to your players, which then allows you to set items up to give back stamina, take stamina, so on. So it just adds another functional piece, just like mana or the health in the game. The only difference right now between stamina and mana is going to be stamina itself will slowly drain as the player moves to signify usage. You can change this if you want. Instead of having it be on move, you can make some quick changes to the code to make it so it only is when they sprint if you have that going on, so on. But that is not what we are going to do here because that's not how we have it set up. So let's go ahead and get the README open. Okay. This one has a few core changes, so don't worry, they're all pretty simple to do at least. So we're going to go ahead and open scripts. And we need to find the network manager, MMO, the entity, and the database. And then open all those. And of course they open on the other screen, so let me bring them back over. Alright. So in here we need to do Network Manager MMO first, so we're going to go to that one. And we're just going to go ahead and copy this line to locate, and paste that in and look for it. There it is. So now we just need to add a stamina one right underneath there. So we'll paste that in, and we can save and close that one. Now we're going to go to Entity. And we need to find this line it gave us as well. There it is. And now we just need to paste in our new line right below that. Save, and you can close that one. And the last three changes are all in database here. So let's go ahead, and I like to copy the middle one, which is the mana part here, and then look for it. And now let's go ahead and add the stamina in right underneath there. Then go to the next change. Once again, I like to copy the mana. Goes to it. Then we put the stamina in. And the last change, copy the mana. And throw our stamina in there. Bam. So that's all of our core changes we had to make. Go ahead and close that, let it compile. I'll collapse this up. So now we need to add these couple things here to our UI. So we actually have functional stamina bar. So under your canvas, go to health and mana panel here, and just open this up and go to your prefabs and drag in the stamina bar. Just drop it onto there. Now go ahead and go back to click on the health and mana and add this UI stamina here and put the panel in. Grab your slider, put that in, and then expand your slider and bring the stats in. And you can collapse all that so we can save. And now we'll quickly go ahead and create a potion as well that gives us our stamina back since it's going to drain on its own. So we'll go to resources, items, and it's going to create our potions. Right click, we're going to go to create, and we're going to go to UCE items and potion. And I'm going to call it a stamina potion, not a potion. Let's go ahead and say it can stack to 20. It's worth 10 to buy it. It sells for 2. You can make it sellable, tradable, destroyable. Just show its name for now. Let's give it an icon. There's no potions. They call them a bottle. These are green. There we go. We'll use that. Beautiful green color. And then you can set your minimum level or cooldowns and so on. So we'll do a cooldown of 60. I believe that's what the rest of the potions are, right? Cooldown 3. 60 is a bit much. 3. Got it. And then you can give it a category for the cooldown so we can share with others. So if you want to have multiple stamina potions, you're going to put stamina potion here, so then if you use a big one, they can't use a small one immediately afterwards to counter the cooldown. And then it's going to give back 20 stamina. I think that's what health does, right? 20. Yep. So let's do 20 stamina. And then we need to actually give that to our alchemist. So let's go up to him and find the store items. Give him another item. And let's let him have a stamina potion to sell us. Very good. We'll collapse all these up. Save again, just to be safe, and hit play. We're going to jump in and buy a stamina potion and make sure it functions as intended. And that when we move, our stamina is also going down. So we only have 7 stamina we started with. So we're going to want to get a potion right away. Green was not a good choice. It's also the pet health one, but you know, that's fine. So I'll buy a potion. We're at 7, so I'm going to use it. We're at 27. Fantastic. I'm going to move. And you can see my stamina is draining because I'm running around. I'm going to stop. And we're good. And that is all there is to adding stamina into your project. Catch you in the next one.